Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, First of all, I want to tell thank you very much to our God. And now I will tell you about my speech with the title is Global Warming. Global warming is one of the most serious challenges facing us today. To protect the health and economic well-being of current and future generations. We must reduce our emission of heat-trapping gases by using the technology. Now, how and practical solution already at our disposal. Tropical deforestation is the largest source of emission from many developing countries. But showing deforestation can solve the climate problem by itself. As forests reach, developing countries step up to take responsibility for reducing their emissions. All industrialized nations should not only support their efforts, but most importantly, reduce their own emissions and let have heard so much about the causes of climate change. That we have missed the fact that there are simple, practical solutions that can slow this growing problem. Technology exists today that can cut emission of heat-trapping gases and make a real difference in the health of our planet. And this solution will be good for our economy, reduce for depends of foreign oil and jasmine palmy February days in northern climate. It also means increasingly hot days in the summer and a host of negative impact that already underway and are expected to in the coming decade. More heat will likely increase the risk of health-related illness and death. Cities and towns along the nation's major rivers will experience more severe and frequently flooding. Some areas will likely experience more extensive and prolonged droughts. Some of our favorite coastal and flow-laying vacation areas, such as part of the Florida Keys and the Cape Cod, will be much less afraid as sea vulnerable to coastal storms. Many families and businesses who have made their living from fishing, farming, and tourism could lose their livelihood. And the others who love hunting, boating, skiing, bird watching, and just relaxing near lakes, streams, and wetlands will see some of their favorite days irreversibly change. The solution to climate change are here can tackle this problem and decrease the unpleasant outcomes that await us if we do nothing. The step we need to take the common sense, and more often than not, they will save consumers money. The cost of inaction, however, is unacceptably high. The scientific consensus is in. Our planet is warming, and we are helping make it happen by adding more heat-trapping gases. Primarily, carbon dioxide or CO2 to treat atmosphere, the burning of fossil fuel, oil, coal, and natural gas alone accounted for about 75% of annual CO2 emission from human activities. Deforestation, the cutting and burning of forests that trap and store carbon, accounts for about another 20%. Procrastination is not an opinion. Procrastination is not an option. Scientists agree that if we wait 10, 20, or 50 years, the problem will be much more difficult to address, and the consequences for us will be that much more serious. We are treating our atmosphere like we once did our rivers. We used to dump waste thoughtlessly into our waterways, believing that they were infinite in their capacity to hold rubbish. But when entering fisheries where poisoned the rivers began to catch fire, we realized that what a horrible mistake that was. Our atmosphere has limits too. CO2 remains in the atmosphere for about 100 years. The longer we keep, more irreversible damage will be done. Full efficient, finished list, renewable energy, protecting the planet, reduce global warming. Many will save us money and create new business opportunities. Best of all, these solutions exist now. We just need to insist that business and government take the necessary steps to make them available and affordable. Then we have to let consumers know what to do and provide incentives to help all of us make better choices. The following 5 sensible steps are available today and can have an enormous impact on the problem. CO2 remains in the atmosphere for about 100 years. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is my speech. I'm very sorry if I have a mistake, and I hope you can get something from my speech. Thank you very much.